Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will start from the top plane. So we will select here the exit plane. Rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make one profile like this. Okay, and one profile like this, the joining profile. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center and select the center. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center and here select the center. Similarly, select the center of this rectangle and center. Okay. Now go to dimension. Here we will define the width. This width we will take here as 17 mm. Okay. And this as 44 mm. Okay, and define this as 26, and here we'll define this from here at 34 mm. Okay, so this will look like this, a T profile. Now finish sketch, go to home, take here extrude, select this profile. Here we are going to take extrude of 16 mm. Okay, and press OK. Go to part 3. We have constructed this profile and this profile. Okay, go to part 1. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make the rectangle profile here. Okay, now take the arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point here, select this point and make the arc point. Okay, you can see the tangent profile should be here. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center, select the center. Now go to dimension, define this dimension as 25 mm and here define this as 9, or you can define this also. You can define this 18 or you can define this 9. Okay, escape, go to coincident, select this profile, select this point. So this will be constrained. Here you can see fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, take extrude, select these both profiles, flip the direction to cut. Here you can see the cut profile, and here I'll take a depth of 12 mm and press OK. Rotate the view, you can see this profile now. Now go to part 3. Here you can see the cutout. Okay, go to part 1. Here we will take chamfer command, and here I'll take 2 distance chamfer. I'll define the first distance as 15 mm and define the second distance as 7 mm. So when I click here, you can see this will be 15 and this will be 7. Apply and click here and OK. Okay, the profiles are being constructed. Now go to part 3. Now we'll make this profile. Okay, go to part 1. Here go to origin and we'll select here the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the line command. We start from this point, make a straight line, make one straight here, this, okay, here till this point and join here and join this profile. Now escape, go to dimension. Here define this distance between these two will be 10 mm. Define this height as 6 mm. Okay, define this as 20 and here define this as 10. Okay, now here define this total as 42 mm. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here I'll take symmetric extrude and here this distance will be 35 mm. Press OK. Now select this top edge, take here fillet, We'll take a fillet radius of 8 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now go to part 3. We have constructed this profile. Now we want this taper profile. Okay, go to part 1. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here, take the arc command and take center point arc. We'll select here the green point and make one arc profile here. Okay, go to dimension. Define this arc radius here as 8 mm. Go to line and close this profile. Okay, finish sketch. Now rotate the profile. Select this back face. Go to create sketch. Here take the arc command once again and take 3-point arc. Same center point we will select and make one more radius here. Go to dimension. Define this radius now as 13 mm. Okay, go to line and join this profile. Okay, finish sketch. Go to home, rotate. Now we have two profiles over here. Now we will join this. So we will take here loft command, select this first profile, select this second profile. You can see a loft profile will be made here. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now here select this top face, go to create sketch, take this circle command and make a circle at the center, okay, of diameter 20. Go to dimension. From this face, the center will be at 12.5 mm. Go to vertical constraint, or here you can take horizontal constraint. Select this point, select this point. When I rotate it, I have taken the horizontal because from top view this will be horizontal. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction to cut, rotate. Okay, now you can see if you do this cut, this will go through here. Okay, it will look like this. Go to home, rotate. Now for appearance, here we'll take the cyan color. So I'll take here cyan. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.